WAGO TOPJOB S rail mount terminal blocks are designed to provide reliable and efficient electrical connections across various applications. And with the new 4-conductor through terminal blocks, you can connect and distribute more connections in the same space. The 4-conductor through terminal blocks perfectly complement the existing 2 and 3-conductor options in the 6 square millimeters range. The 4-conductor with push and cage clamp terminals are available with either an operating slot or push-button actuation, making connections simple, fast, and reliable. The WAGO TOPJOB S range just got bigger and better, now featuring more connection options, compact designs, and enhanced versatility to meet the demands of modern electrical installations. That's connections made simple.